I never expected my network to change so dramatically. It changed dramatically and quite quickly once I started having conversations with different kinds of people. So that was one of the biggest learnings for me. And then the other thing that I wanted to share was like leaning into this discomfort. There's a lot about starting this journey that's uncomfortable. Leaning into the discomfort of raising your profile on LinkedIn, for example, and posting what you're passionate about. And, that's one aspect. And then the things that you don't know yet, which is what Veblen's great at. It provides lots of tools and skills you up in areas where you might need a bit of support. So I think leaning into the discomfort, getting comfortable being uncomfortable, kind of. So I would say those two things were my two biggest learnings so far.